Hey everybody, this is our last pre-sale proposal of 2017. Thanks to you, we keep doing them and the response has been fantastic. We figured for this one, we'd finish off the year from a pretty cool location. We're here at Trump, not Mar-a-Lago, we're here at Trump Tower on the 49th floor. It's a 2,000 square foot condominium that needs everything, kitchens, bathrooms, moldings, the whole thing. So we included the math in this week's pre-sale blast. But more than anything I can say, check out these views. They're unbelievable. Have a great Christmas, a happy and a healthy New Year, and we'll see you back in 2018 with a lot of cool stuff we've got on the plate. Bye-bye.